I am back with my second video, and the good part is that it's an interesting part because I did not plan this video. I had some other things I wanted to share, but this is something very interesting. I really wanted to share this with all my friends, my peers, colleagues, and anyone who's looking at this, listening to this. So, I often thought that that's a car. So I often thought that subscribing to someone's daily email is not something really good, because I thought it's just a general perception that or maybe my perception that you do not get really quality content, and it's just there to add up to the pile of that undeleted emails in your email box. But I'm so thrilled and I'm so pumped right now because firstly I want to thank Josh Farr and Nina Christian, because I have subscribed to few people, and they are amazing in their field. Besides, reading the content on LinkedIn or any other platform that they put up. When I receive the emails, I generally make it a point that I do read it out, because whenever they put anything up, it is just adding more to my knowledge besides what I've been reading on the social media platform, and that is what happened right now. So I was just scrolling through my email, and then I saw these two emails, that the ones that I'm subscribed to, and there's ton of information in both these different emails. So with the Josh file, the one that he has sent, it was more about, it was really interesting, and it sort of added more knowledge of what I'm doing, in which direction I'm going, and how, giving right questions to ask myself. So thank you for that. And on the other hand, with Nina Christian, she is so good with marketing. She is the ultimate queen. Like, I'm so happy I did interview her for the podcast. So she is talking about her experience and strategy of the first 4 weeks. It was so good, and I feel that I'm so happy to have subscribed to these. So if you guys ever meet people like these, like you really resonate with, you think that they're providing you really quality content, I think it's really good to be around them, to consume the content when you can, because even a dull day can become so good for you. Not saying that it was a dull day for me, but at times, you feel like, what is something new? So when people come and tell you, oh god, I talk so much. Okay, when people come and tell you that learning is constant, you should keep learning, but why, once you're done with your university, your school, you're like, we don't have any textbook, we don't have any assigned chapter, what do we learn? You really don't understand what's the pattern. So I think this could be one outlet for sure. Great learning, like in a week you get such good content, and they're telling you all the new things, or maybe things of past that you have not put your mind to, or you have not come across. So yeah, go and just, I wouldn't say go and subscribe to people. That's not the point. But the point is that these are the places where you can learn, come in contact with such great people. And I just found it really interesting, and I thought of sharing with you guys. So yeah, I'll be soon back with another video of the Mindset Shift series. This was the second one, in which I'm trying to tell you that be around people who would really help you grow, and so that you can give back as well in the way that you want to. Bye.